Here in Louisiana, life's a little bit different. The air, the food, and the spirit of a wonderful culture. But like anywhere else, our beautiful state has its problems. See, Louisiana has been experiencing hurricanes since the 1700s. And with such a high rate of flooding and settling, the buzzword around here is elevation. Well, people have been elevating their home for quite some time now, using a system called the bottle jack system. See, the way this system works is that they put jacks around the perimeter and every support beam in your house to lift it. The only problem is that they can't tie them all together. This can leave permanent damage to the structure of your home. But thankfully, there's a better solution. See, this machine is called a unified jacking machine, and it allows us here at Orleans Shoring to make sure that we can lift your house without any threat of cracks. Each gauge allows us to tune the weight of that particular jack, and each jack is connected to a wave of hydraulic fluid, so your home is literally lifted on a wave of equalized cushion. My name's Craig Turner, and this is Orleans Shoring. Here at Orleans Shoring, we're the best at what we do, and the owner, Christian Cantian, has made it a point to be just that, the best. Because of that, we're also the largest. Oh, thanks. With experts in the field, as well as here in the office, making sure that your process goes as quickly as possible. At this time, Orleans Shoring is lifting 4 to 5 houses a day, and we're completing just as many. So whether it's a slab home or a pier home, we've got a ton of experience. You can feel confident that we can do the job, and we'll do it the best. Every house we raise comes with a lifetime guarantee, and trust me, we stand by that. See, we're the company known to pay attention to the details, and we're the company known to stay all the way through until the job is finished. See, this is a family-owned and operated company. This is our home. We've seen the people grow up, and we've seen the people fight back in times of need. So when we saw the need for our people, our friends, our family, we knew we had to do something to step in. Since the bigger hurricanes like Katrina and Rita have come, the government has recognized the need for home elevation. So they've issued some limited funds in the form of HMGP, otherwise known as the Hazard Mitigation Grant Program. Now, if you want to be involved in that, you'll need to do a few things first. First, you'll need to find out if you're eligible. Your home is eligible if you're a Road Home Option 1 applicant, which means that you opted to keep your home. Or you may have received the assignment of rights if you bought the home after Katrina. The second thing is the paperwork. Some of it may be complex, and others may be simply asking for basic information. In any respect, we can help you through these, so don't get bogged down with them. The third thing you'll need to do is get a mitigation analyst, and we can help you do that as well. Your mitigation analyst can help you through the paperwork, as well as check on your status through the program. Oh, stay tuned for part 2. So now that you've found out that you're eligible, you've gotten your paperwork filled out, and you've gotten a mitigation analyst, you'll need to get a contractor. Now, there are many contractors down in South Louisiana, but there's only one company that will give you the dedication and quality that you deserve, and that's Orleans Shoring. But don't take my word for it. Check out the State Licensing Board and Better Business Bureau website. See who's licensed and doing exceptional work out there. And you know what? Ask your neighbors as well, because they're the ones that are going to be able to tell you who stuck around and made sure that they did the job right. After all of your HMGP paperwork is done, and you've gotten a mitigation analyst, and you've gotten a contractor to do the job, it'll need to go off to review. Everyone from mitigation analysts, contractor liaisons, quality control, as well as the state finance office must approve your paperwork in order for you to move forward. And finally, payment. There are 3 grants available: Road Home, which is $30,000, ICC through your flood insurance, which is another $30,000, and the HMGP award, which is $100,000. So the maximum that you can be awarded to elevate your home is $160,000 through the HMGP state program. The first thing we'll do if you decide to move forward with home elevation is come out and measure the home. What we're looking for is overall size, shape, and condition of the foundation, because if the foundation isn't strong enough, it could crack under pressure. This is something that separates us from the others. We call it proactive problem solving. Once we know that your paperwork is approved and your foundation is solid, we'll begin to dig tunnels underneath your home in order to lift it with our unified jacking machine. These tunnels will run along the perimeter and every support wall. After we've tunneled underneath the home, we can begin to set up crib systems. Each crib system will have a jack connected to our unified jacking machine. This is going to push our OS level piles into the ground. Now the cool thing about these piles is that each one can be re-leveled as it penetrates the earth. This is the only part of the process where you'll have to be out of the home. In most cases, it's only one night. Now that your house is in the air, we can redo all your plumbing with brand new PVC pipe, as well as make sure that the structure is level and raise your AC out of harm's way. Once everything is level and finished underneath the home, we can sink all of our piles together using our steel reinforced concrete footing. Also, we install Simpson hurricane straps or turnbuckles for wind resistance to make sure that your home isn't going anywhere. The house is now stable, so we can begin to build our block wall around the home, which will eventually be finished with stucco or split-face block. This wall is carefully put together to make sure that it's a product that you are proud to call home. With a touch of some steps and your New Orleans style railing, you'll end up with a finished product that almost looks like new construction. Here at Orleans Shoring, we take pride in making sure that every finished home looks as beautiful as possible. Orleans Shoring takes pride in being an active member of our community, continuing to walk homeowners through the process with hands-on assistance, educate our community on the programs that may be available to them. Provide jobs with almost 550 team members strong, provide for the needy, and continue to support our youth, the children, the future. We continue to challenge the limits of home elevation. We've been able to implement a stucco that looks good and won't crack, drive wood pilings to stop settlement on porches and steps, changing our vents from cast iron to aluminum to prevent rusting, changing our handrails to be more decorative, changing our access doors from metal to aluminum, and provide temporary hot water heaters for homeowners without gas. All this to say, we're always looking for ways to be better at what we do. We're still growing, we're still elevating.
Thank you for choosing Orleans Shoring. There's nobody else can do a better job, be more honest, give you better service, or know the grant program more to help navigate you through the elevation process. We thank you for your business and appreciate you allowing us to ensure your home never floods again.